Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Muhammad Ayan and welcome to another programming video with Ayan. So not actually programming, this is the learning series, and after a long time we came back to HTML episode 3. So now let's start. Today is the episode 3 of our video of the HTML lectures. So I have created a playlist known as HTML lectures that you can go and watch. There are gonna be all the lectures of HTML from the first to last video that we are gonna create in this series. This is the playlist that I have created just today. You can check it out. So now let's start. So the objective of the lesson is to learn how to insert hyperlinks, how to add text styles, superscript and subscripts, how to add a list, unordered. These are three, and I already revealed this that we're gonna insert hyperlinks, and how to add I did not reveal this because these are gonna be also interesting. Sorry. To solve challenges, there are two challenges related to this video. So now let's start. This is the objective 1, how to insert hyperlinks. Basically, how do you insert hyperlinks? First of all, as you can see over here, that it's a we use the a tag, known as the anchor tag. You use the a tag. It can be either capital or small. This is known as the anchor tag, which is simply used to create hyperlinks only. So this is the anchor tag that will be used to create hyperlinks, and this is the way is given how to do. Here's the reason. So first, what do we do is let me show you. When a or either this is done, I'm going to use capital because it's much better. It is much recommended you use capital. Href. What does href means? Href means h reference. Href. Let me just do it on the side. Href is equal to h reference. That means that you have to input a source. So as reference, you have to input a source, and that's it. This is a source basically, and href is equal to. So what is the code? This is incomplete. I know. Href is equal to, with in the quotation mark, your link address, for example www.youtube.com, and then you will close this. Then you will type a letter to display, like click here. This will be displayed instead of this link address or nothing. This is very important. If you don't do it, you don't display this, the link will not work, because and no text will show. This is the text that will be showing, like in the paragraph and heading we write. The same thing is in a tag, anchor tag, and then /a. Click here for YouTube. I'm just doing so click here for YouTube. We will see examples just in let's see example. I have opened Notepad. I just named it hello. So first let me just increase the size. Doc type HTML head, title, hello world /title. Let me just increase its size. Wait. /title /head, body. In the body, what we'll do, we are only putting a paragraph. A h reference is equal to www.youtube.com. Let me just let's just make full size. youtube.com quotation marks. Click here for YouTube slash anchor tag and slash paragraph tag, slash body and slash HTML as well. Now let's save it, and now let's go to this desktop. Desktop. This is what you hello. Let me open it with Google Chrome. Now this is here. Click here for YouTube. If I move edited or deleted, just because www.youtube.com, I am just inputting my own thing, link addresses. But if I did not put this, then let's see. Let's save this, and now let's reload this. Nothing showed. As you can see, nothing showed. So how can we access the link? How can we access? So text here is really important over here. So now if you can understand. So now let's go back to our link. Now let's our objective 1 is complete, so we can cut this off. So now objective 2, how to add textile, superscript and subscript. First let's use superscript and then subscript. It is really easy. You use sup tag for superscript, and for subscript you use sub and slash sub. That's right guys, you really need to subscribe to our channel. Like I just remember from this sub, subscribe, this subscribe. So please subscribe, do me a favor, please subscribe. I will face reveal when I reach 1000 subscribers. Now here is the superscript and subscript, and this is the paragraph tag in which we superscript. Let us write the code. We actually use the same thing, the thing we want to write between, for example HT. This will be in superscript mode, and if I write it over here, then it will be in normal mode. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna come after like 2 minutes, and now let's let me start. Let's go. So just give me 2 minutes, I'm coming back. Okay, so guys, I came back. Now let's continue. So hello world and LD will be superscript. Now let's test this. Let's just do once again, and I will not erase the starting thing. HTML head is not important over here, so we just skipping head and we are going directly to body, and in body we are writing a paragraph. Hello where we are sup and ld slash sup slash paragraph slash body and slash html. Now let's save this, and let's go over here and let's reload this, and see it is subscript over here, this. So now if I do subscript, then what will happen? Let me just reload this. And see this became sub down. So this is how you do superscript, and by mistakenly I just did here. So now let's go back to our topic. This is very easy. This is the subscript and this is superscript. These are two examples that I showed you right now as well, and if you want to copy right now you can copy it, and if you don't, you can copy. So we are done with objective 2. You will understand it more when we go to challenges, and I think there is no superscript and subscript related thing, but we will add it in challenge 1 maybe. So objective number 3, how to add list. This is the last topic, and after that we will do some work. So now let's start. How to add list unordered. So in the paragraph there is following the items and ul means unordered list. Let me just write small. Ul means unordered list and unordered lists. How do we use it? In the paragraph following are the items, like I did ul, then list. In this we do the list, and then we close our closing tag for in the do list. What is the function of the list function? So list function is over here, and what we will do in list function, that we will list our stuff, and like this. You will understand it when we do challenge 2. So if you list and do, and then it's our choice how much we can do, as much as we want. /li, it is our choice how much to do it until you close the unordered list tag. And there is also an ordered list tag that we will not do today, we will do it in our next class. So now objective number 4 is challenges, but before that let's cut off objective 3 because we are done. Objective 4, let me just zoom out a little bit. Zoom in. Okay, I will highlight the keywords, and then we will go to our challenge 1. Ali has arranged a birthday party in his house. It is his birthday and he wants a web page that relates to his birthday party. Okay, using the knowledge from previous lecture episode 2, use font color, size and face of our choice. It's not mentioned, so it means we have to make it our choice. Create a link to go to happy birthday song video. Also add an image of the birthday, then wish him a very happy birthday, and we will also add the date. Let's also add a date with superscript tag because we are not using in anything. So now let's just do this superscript tag. Now let's go to our HTML and let's start with the heading. Let's start with head. Title will be happy birthday / title, and now we will do /head. Now let's go to body. bg color is equal to orange, and now let's go to heading. Let's make it center. These are all the 4 tags that we learned in our last class. Bold, underline, Ali's birthday, /u/b/h1 and /center. Now we'll go to a paragraph and we will add a link first, and then we will wish him. Link href is equal to, we will add a link. Let's go to youtube.com, www.youtube.com. Let's go to youtube.com, and now what we will do is let's go to happy birthday song. Let's choose this one. Let's copy link address, and let's go back to our this, and let's paste it, and then this, and now let's do our stuff. But just give me 2 minutes. I'm doing. So let me like this, And now what are we gonna do is 3D, and now let's do is this, and then let's say happy birthday song, happy birthday song slash a, and now slash paragraph as well. Now we will add an image as well, slash paragraph and slash img src is equal to this happy birthday image as well. So let's search for happy birthday images, happy birthday images. Let's search for, let's do this, copy image address, and let's go to this. It's very big, let me just control minus a little bit over here, data image, and till it's still here. So let's do this and close this and slash paragraph. And lastly we are gonna do a paragraph as well with font color is equal to purple, size is gonna be 30, size is gonna be 30 as well, 30, and the face is gonna be Arial black, Arial black, and that's it. And I also wanted to be centered, I also wanted to be centered, center, Arial black, happy birthday to you Ali, and slash font slash paragraph and slash center. And now slash paragraph once again with same thing, all everything same, but the text will be changed. So let me just copy this, Control C and Control V. First size 30, face Arial black. Only this thing will be changed, that the birthday today is 8th October, 8th, and SUP 8th slash SUP October 2024. Okay, so this is, we are done, and our this is challenge 1 is complete. Now let's see it. Now let me just save it. It's saved. Now let's reload it. Reload. See, happy birthday to you, happy birthday song, Ali's birthday, happy birthday to you Ali, 8th October 2024. Let's go to this. It's gonna take a little bit. See,
info bells.
See, it's like playing the song. Let's go back to our web page. This is the happy birthday song, and happy birthday to you Ali, 8th October 2024. Happy birthday to you, may best wish for you. Thank you. And now let's go to challenge 2. Unfortunately I have to delete this whole thing. I have to delete this whole thing except for title, and till here we only have to create a list, so it will not matter the body any color. So now challenge 2 is make an HTML project that should include an unordered list of at least 6 proteins and should be given a clarification statement to identify it. For example, following are the dairy products that should be eaten by normal people to stay healthy. This is one of the clarification statements. So we have to clear that what are we listing. So we will clear it by saying a statement, we will say a statement that following are the proteins that should be eaten to stay healthy. So now we're going to create a list. Let's go back here, background orange. We don't need like list, we don't need any heading, so I will just do paragraph with size, font size I really needed. A size will be 26.5, and then what I'm gonna do, following are the proteins that should be eaten to stay healthy, and then ul, and then we're gonna start listing meat slash li, meat, and then fish. Let's search for more proteins. A list of proteins other than meat and this. For protein, meat, fish and seafood, dairy products, 20 protein, salmon, tuna, pork is not like halal. Salmon, salmon is also a fish, but let's just list salmon and slash list another thing, that is poultry, chicken. Let me just do chicken slash li, 4 out of 6 li chicken, and then let's list 7 protein, 10 fish, seafood, seafood, beef. Let's do seafood slash li, and li list item seafood, and lastly what did I say, beef slash li slash ul slash font slash paragraph. So I have listed everything. 6 out of 6 things I have listed, slash body and slash html. The size is gonna be big, so let's save it. And now it's very bad I'm doing this. See, following are the proteins that should be eaten to stay healthy. Let me just fix something, because healthy and this, and let's save it, and then now let's reload it. Stay healthy, meat, fish, salmon, chicken, seafood, and beef. This is how you create an unordered list. In an unordered list there is always bullet points, and in an ordered list there are numberings 1, 2, 3 or letters A, B, C that we will learn how to input. So this is it for today's video, and the challenge will be in the description if you want to do it. And bye bye guys.